Alright, so welcome back to Cooking with Chris, and today of course we got Chris, and I'm Chun Chiap, or CJ, or Alvin, and we have Sam!
Yo, what's up guys?
Alright Sam, so okay, before we go into the actual questions, I just want to check, how tall are you?
Okay,
we're done, okay. Okay, but anyway, okay, so Sam, so what do you do? Would you share with us a little?
So I'm a producer at MediaCorp under this multi-channel network called Bloomer SG. I help manage some of the social media stuff and some of the creators under our network.
So, so I should think as a producer, you are usually behind the camera?
Yeah, mostly behind the camera,
So now that you're in front of the camera, how do you feel? How does that make you feel?
Wow, stress. Behind camera is one thing, right? In front of camera is another character.
So for all the retakes, all the flaws, do you have anything you want to tell them, those who are often in front of the camera?
You're doing great. I need to save my job. You're doing great.
Okay, but anyway, shall we move on to what we have today? What's cooking?
Okay, so we'll be doing a very simple yet sophisticated dish, an omelette, but we're taking it a notch up. We're doing souffle omelette.
Oh.
So it's kind of like omelette, but it's like very airy and fluffy inside. Yeah.
So it's going to be the kind where when you shake a little, it's going to be all
it'll be
very...
like jiggle, you know?
Jiggle.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. All right, so shall we begin? All right, so the main ingredients for today's dish is eggs. All right, so we want to start separating the egg yolks and the egg whites. Whisk it up into like a meringue kind of thing. Like, so it has to be stiff. Then after that, we'll add the yolks back into the egg whites, fold it, then put it on the pan.
Okay.
Then we got 2 eggs for you,
6 for me.
2 eggs for you,
Okay.
and 2 eggs for me. So I like to use the shell
Okay.
to separate. So first I crack the egg like that. Okay, so the whites are in. Yeah.
You dribble them.
Yes, correct. So I go around like that. So be very careful because the shell can actually crack the yolk.
Crack and fall in,
So I'll put it in here.
This is a big bowl for 2
Yeah.
eggs.
It's the shell.
Okay. So Sam, do you like cook on your own or?
Yeah, I do. I think ever since I moved out, I try to cook a lot at home.
Alright.
Save money, save money.
Okay. Nowadays eating out quite expensive also.
Next up, we will add some sugar into the egg whites.
Yep.
Oh no, I got shell.
Oh no. Yeah, you don't want shells in there either.
Yeah, must check. I never check.
so-
Okay.
Okay.
So just like a very tiny pinch of sugar.
Okay.
So the sugar will help it a little to form the stiff peaks, like the meringue kind of thing. Like, so for me, I like to hold my wrist this way.
Yep.
Then I'll just go like that. Like
Okay.
that. It gets a bit noisy.
Main thing is you get the air
Correct.
in.
And then you work your biceps as well. Which you already have.
I can work until like this.
No, I don't have. I don't have.
Yeah,
Okay, I need to work harder.
Like,
Really?
what point
you
do we...
guys working very hard, huh?
Sorry?
You guys working very hard, huh?
Of course we are.
Like a machine here.
Sam, let's go.
Hey, go. Get.
咪講啦。
Walao eh.
Okay, but
Okay,
then,
let's see who does it faster, the machine or you guys? Yeah?
Hey Chris, there got something drop eh. Hey, so this is
Are you guys
this
there?
is not done yet, man. It's not done.
No, it's not done. So you wanna make sure it's like stiff. So how do you test it? Is actually putting it over your head. Yeah, if it drops on your head.
okay,
then
Sam, I think yours almost there. You want...
you wanna try?
Just because my head is shorter than yours, right?
Yeah.
Easier, right?
Easier.
Yeah, so it has to be really stiff.
Okay.
So yeah, when you turn the bowl around your head, it doesn't like drop onto your head.
Like legit over the head.
Yeah, legit. Yeah. Must be
no
over
idea
the
what
head.
it
Must be over the head.
Oh. Okay, done.
I'm done too. That's quick, right?
Wow.
Try.
Slow and... Oh, this one really just went
Lucky
over.
you. So you guys can do this at home. Very, very easy. Just work those arm muscles.
Okay.
Yeah. Can you see like these guys? So easy. They're doing such a great
Left
job.
hand challenge.
Hey guys, stop flexing.
Okay. Sorry.
Okay, so
He's
we
not
wanna.
even flexing. Why are you flexing?
We wanna. This is the secret weapon.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So I'm putting it away. Okay.
Wow.
I think it's like glossy.
Yeah,
Actually,
very
machine very
smooth
glossy.
looking.
Machine over man-made kind of.
Yeah, lor.
Okay, so next up,
Yep.
we want to add the yolks back into the mixture.
Okay.
Okay. We want to fold the yolks and the whites.
Yeah.
So we fold from underneath up. Underneath up.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just like underneath up, underneath up. Okay. Until it becomes like one color. Like you can see right now, it's like still yellow and
Yeah,
white.
the color is still
Yeah.
like quite saturated.
Correct.
Okay.
But then you don't want to overmix these also, because if you overfold these, then it will you'll release all the air in the foam.
Ah,
Yeah.
okay, okay.
Correct.
So whatever we did just now would have been wasted if it's over.
Yes, correct. All your then you got to like redo again. Then you gotta work
Activate
maybe
the machine.
your other.
Reactivate
Yeah.
the machine.
So this is for you.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, so you can put it in there.
Goes in, yeah.
Yeah. I think you guys are doing a really good job.
Don't because of camera you say that, no.
You want to try the
Show it to the.
you want to try the egg technique now? You put over your head.
Yeah,
See
you want to try now?
So Sam, who do you usually cook for?
My wife, my fiance lah, my fiance. Yeah.
Fiancé.
Wife already. Yeah.
Ah,
Yeah, about to marry end of this year lah, about the same lah, about the same lah.
wow.
So both the couples, right? They are both like professional dancers.
Oh yeah, I heard you
Yeah.
dance very well, Sam.
I don't. Clearly,
Yeah?
I don't.
I heard you've been dancing for like ever since you were 3 years old or something.
Maybe 2 years old.
2 years old. Okay, okay.
Two-
Sorry,
two
sorry
years
for
old.
discounting that. Okay, yeah.
So right now we're gonna cook the omelette. So like, where's mine? Not gonna use yours. Okay, so the omelette. See, it's still very pillowy and airy.
Actually, yeah. Before that, yeah, you see the difference. Like this is like what I say, very pillowy, right?
Yeah.
But mine is like, wow, it
Yeah.
started to.
So like the whisking wasn't like very
So it's
consistent.
my fault.
Yeah, it's always human error. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay, then we put a bit of butter
Yep.
into the pan. So at the same time, you want the pan to be like hot enough. Like you don't need, if you don't feel any heat when you put your palm on it,
Yep.
then it means it's not hot enough. Yeah. So you see, my butter is like a bit browning. So when we brown the butter, it's actually kind of like caramelizing the milk content in the butter, so
Okay.
it gets like more flavor as well.
Right.
Yeah. Then we'll just put it all in there. Okay. Then we just like kind of
Spread
like
it out.
like spread it
Right.
spread it out. Yeah.
Oh.
So in this case, it's a two egg omelette. So we usually use like smaller pan. Yeah, because if it's too flat, then it doesn't like souffle up much. Yeah. So once you see when I'm shaking it,
Yep.
so once it doesn't stick, right? We can just pop it into the oven and let the oven do the work and like cook the rest of it.
Ah, right.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. So in this case, I'll put mine in the oven first.
Okay.
Then you guys can start on the next one.
Guys,
I think Sam can handle the whole thing here. I go
Yeah.
for coffee first.
We go for coffee.
Yeah.
Then you'll dance.
yeah, you dance.
We've not forgotten about the dance, yeah?
Yeah. Don't worry. We never forget. Let me just increase the heat.
Oh,
slightly.
okay. So I bring back to low heat.
Well, it's
Yeah,
the same.
can bring-
It's the same amount of eggs,
the
right? But
caramelized-
like the amount of foam that he has compared to ours is like so different.
Oh yeah.
Nah, it's almost the same lah.
So just go straight in, yeah?
Just go straight in.
Ooh.
So clean up the bowl. Make sure you get everything in there.
Okay.
Okay, so we go in the oven, including mine. So we just pop it.
Go straight in. Alright. Oh, cool.
Nice.
Nice.
And how long is this gonna take?
So it's really quick, about like 5 to 7 minutes. As
Okay.
Well. Yeah. So let's time for 5 minutes first. At 180 degrees.
5 minutes from 180 degrees.
Does it change if it's a non-stick pan or whatever, or just need to be more safe if it's a non-stick pan?
Yeah, it's safer if it's non-stick pan. Yeah. So like at home, like most people use non-stick pan.
Yep.
So it's like safeguards you already from sticking.
Oh.
Yeah. Correct.
Okay. All good.
Alright. Okay, so see you in 5 minutes.
Yeah. Okay, so while we're waiting for the souffle to be done in the oven, so how long have you been in the media industry now?
Technically speaking, about 9 years.
9 years.
Yeah, so I was freelancing for like a good 6 years of my life. 6, 7 years, then COVID happened, you know. Gotta find another full-time job. I had to like find alternate ways to get some income. So I joined an agency. Then one of my friends from MediaCorp asked me whether I can go over.
Okay.
I thought it was like a very short-term thing. Everybody all says like MediaCorp, blah blah blah. There's a lot of things. But
Yep.
in the end, I went in. I had a lot of fun, so
Okay.
I stayed. So now I'm there for close to a year already.
A year or so. Okay, okay. But you've been in the media industry for 9.
Yep.
Yeah.
About 9 years. Yep.
Okay. And how do you feel so far?
I liked it actually. For once I joined a company, I used to like not like doing full-time job.
I think as freelancers, for myself, freelancer as well. I have the fear of like going into a full-time job. And, there's all the fear of like politics and all this stuff.
Yeah, correct. I also
Yeah.
thought the same thing too. Then yes, for my first job, there was some form of that.
Okay.
There's always like once you go in, you sort of see like where you can go further, But then when I joined MediaCorp, I realized there was a lot of growth prospects for me. Then I
Okay.
was like, okay, I joined. I still had a lot of
Sorry
fun.
to cut you guys.
Yep.
The omelette is ready.
Oh.
The souffle.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, shall we?
Yeah.
Let's
Okay,
go.
so let me bring it out first because it's really hot.
Okay.
Yeah.
You need to make space first.
Okay.
Yeah, his one turned out very nice.
I think mine went in the oven too long.
Hey.
So you see, like, it's supposed to be like, when you fold it, it's supposed to be like thick. We failed!
Oh no.
We failed.
Okay.
Try again.
It's okay, you guys can try at home and then
my
after that...
bad. I took too long. That's why both of yours
No,
set for too long.
it's teamwork. Just be very careful, it's very hot, it's very hot.
All
Yeah.
good, all
yeah,
good.
yeah.
Wow.
Okay.
So
So,
this is
Okay.
yeah.
Bad example.
Mature, yeah. All
Okay,
good,
I
okay.
flipped. Now I managed to flip mine.
yeah.
Okay, so I'm supposed to flip it, Fold it.
Yeah. Fold into half. Yeah, so... Whoa,
Whoa.
just be very careful.
Oh, nice. Wow, yours
This?
Yeah, his looks the
Yeah.
most
Okay.
like souffle.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, teamwork.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, one up and one down.
Yeah.
Huh?
Okay.
Alright
Caesar
lah.
salad.
Alrighty.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, clearly yours look the best.
So we really cannot let it sit for too long, and it has to go straight into the oven
Yeah,
quite straight.
immediately.
Okay,
Like, immediately.
okay. Okay, at least we now show that with the difference
Yeah,
in timing, we can
yeah,
have
yeah.
2 separate dishes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So even if you have machine, right, you can make it look like a Fuyong omelette.
Yeah. So the moral of the story is that biceps.
Oh,
Biceps.
the
stronger.
biceps. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, cheers, guys.
Alrighty.
Cheers.
Okay, hold on.
We're waiting for CJ again.
Yeah, waiting for CJ again.
Good things must wait.
Okay,
Okay,
cheers.
cheers.
What's a different way of eating?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The volume is okay for mine. I think,
It's very like pillowy.
I'll try your texture.
yeah. And I love
Oh
the
my God.
butter taste as well. Speaking of which, how else can we add on to the souffle?
Oh,
What else
so
can
like
we-
you can like up the game by adding like some mozzarella in between. Yeah. So like I used to serve this dish for brunch. So we serve it with like a drizzle of like tom yum, and then some like buttered.
drizzle of tom yum.
Yeah. It goes really well actually. Yeah. It's like Thai omelette, but then in this case it's like a souffle kind of.
Okay.
Bad example.
No, well, you done already.
I'm hungry.
Oh my goodness.
You
didn't even notice.
Yeah.
So you gonna dance? You got energy now?
No energy.
Now that you are done with the food, here. Okay. But anyway, okay. If let's say like we want to find you guys and any discussion for any collaboration and stuff, how can we reach you guys?
DM me on like Instagram. Yeah, so my handle is Cook Christoph.
Cook Christoph.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's like cook me,
It's right here. Okay.
Yeah, over here. Like
Over here, somewhere here.
Right here.
Right here. Yeah.
Don't know lah,
Yeah.
somewhere there lah. Sam?
You can find him and you can find me. No, you can find me on Instagram, Kirin Boy. I usually don't really post much there. It's just like just a way for me to share a lot of
A
my.
lot of dancing stuff.
No, there's no dancing stuff. Sadly, there's a lot of
Kirin
like
as in like Kirin the beer.
Kirin the beer. So every time I wish Kirin
Oh.
beer sponsor me someday if I get famous someday. So
Yeah, so better shout out to them.
shout out Kirin.
So now gonna tag Kirin as well.
Thank Kirin. Yep.
And what about you?
Myself, Instagram as well. The Hello Chunjia,
Okay.
HELOCHUNJIA. We're going to show it somewhere. But yeah, I think today, how so? Sam, do you find this a success?
I think this was very fun to make actually. Quite short period of time. Because I was like sitting down there waiting, when my turn to film. Then I was like, and then come in, not even what total video time less than 30 minutes. Really get 2 dishes done and the video is recorded.
Producer approve.
Producer approved. I love it.
I guess that's all for today. And then, we look forward to seeing everyone next week.
Yeah.
All good. That's all.
Remember to like, subscribe, and comment, and share.
Press the notification bell.
Everything lah.
Everything lah.
Just do lah.
Just do lah.
Bye.
Bye.